Good day, I am Samantha Ibanez Gabalfin from ABM 11 Philip. And for my first question is, how am I socialized by the religion? The story is, my mother and I always go to church. There are women who came to our school to teach about the Bible and invite us students to attend Mass on their church. They are called catechists. After the Mass, they invite us to join their study group or Bible study. Through that, I was exposed to new experiences and had the opportunity to socialize, meet new people, and make friends, some of whom remain my friends to this day. By joining our church, I also became more well-known in our school. After attending church for many years, my catechist invited me to become a commentator or lector during Mass. Because of that, I was able to develop my public speaking and socialization skills. For the second question is, how does religion shape my beliefs and behavior? So, through religion, I became aware of what is right and what is wrong. Religion gave me a sense of purpose. It teaches me the art of being patient and the art of believing in our Creator and His Son, Jesus Christ. Religion helps in influencing my decisions in life. For example, when deciding whether I'll do something, I thought to myself first if what I'm going to do is right and just by the eyes of the Lord. Religion is something that I cannot be removed in me. It's one of the agents or aspects that shapes my decisions in life and who am I.
How am I socialized by the religion? Religion plays a significant role in shaping my socialization by influencing my beliefs, values, and interaction with others. From a young age, I have been exposed to religious teaching, rituals, and traditions that guide my understanding of morality, ethics, and social responsibilities. Attending religious service, participating in community events, and engaging in prayer have helped me develop a sense of belonging and shared identity with others who practice the same faith. Additionally, religion has instilled in my values such as compassion, respect, and integrity, which influence my relationships and decision-making. Through religious teaching, I have learned about cultural customs, historical narratives, and moral lessons that shape my worldview and interactions with society. How religion shaped me by beliefs and behavior. Religion has shaped me by instilling values that guide my decisions, interactions, and perspective on life. It has taught me the importance of kindness, honesty, and gratitude, influencing how I treat others and handle challenges. Through prayer and reflection, I find comfort in difficult times and a sense of purpose in everyday life.
Participating in religious festivals, holidays, or social events helps me connect with others who share similar beliefs and values. And religion encourages personal growth and transformation, helping me develop self-awareness, self-discipline, and self-improvement.
How I am socialized by religion. Religion socializes individuals by influencing their values, morals, and social norms. From a young age, people are introduced to religious teachings, practices, and traditions through family, community, and institutions like churches, mosques, or temples. How is religion shaped by beliefs and behavior? Religion is shaped by the collective beliefs and behaviors of its followers. Over time, religious practices evolve based on cultural influences, societal changes, and historical context. The way people interpret sacred texts, perform rituals, and uphold traditions influences how religion is practiced and understood.
Religion helped me enhance my socialization because ever since I go to church, I have the chance to have communication with new people I encounter in the church. It also helped me to strengthen my beliefs.
How I am socialized by the religions. Since I am a Catholic, one of the things that I always do to others is to invite them to church, since I know that we share the same religions and belief, and also I always respect other religion. How religion shaped by beliefs and behavior. Agents of socializations like family, school, peers, media, and religion play a crucial role in shaping an individual's beliefs and behaviors. They act as the transmitters of cultural norms and values.
Yan na nga ni sila. Yan na rin sila.
Gusto niyo ba magsimba?
Sunday.
Diyan lang ako sa Catholic Church.
Init eh.
Tara!
Tara.
Malamig naman doon.
Hala, sarado. Oo nga. Paano yan?
Mga anak, magsisimba ba kayo?
Oo, sana eh.
Inaayos pa kasi yung loob eh. Halina, at mag-Bible study na lang po muna tayo. Ako na mag-ano, halika kayo dito. Dito tayo. Halina't kayo'y makinig sa akin at manalangin. Magsitayo muna. Amang Diyos makapangyarihan sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa araw nito. Bigyan niyo kami ng gabay at unawa sa araw nito. Ilayo niyo kami sa sakit. Sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen. Espiritu Santo. Kayo magsiupo. Ang araw ni Jesus kay Galilea. Madaling araw kayo. Oh, ineng. Ayos lang. Ikaw, ba't ngayon ka lang?
May ginagawa lang pa. Siya.
Ganun ba? Sige, halina't samahan mo kami sa aming pagtatalakay kay Galilea. Halika na kami. Ituloy natin ang ating naputol na pag-uusap. Verse 38 na tayo. Ngunit sinabi niya sa kanila, kailangan pumunta rin tayo sa mga karat. Basta lagi niyong tatandaan na totoo ang Diyos. Handa tayong gabayan. Basta magdasal lang tayo. May mga katanungan pa ba kayo?
Ako po. Totoo po ba talaga yung Diyos?
Oo, ano? Bakit mo kinu-question sa akin yun? Totoo ang Diyos. Basta mananampalataya ka lang at maniwala. Mararamdaman mo ang presensya ng Diyos.
Ganun po. Father, paano niya po tayo naririnig? Ang dami-dami natin.
Tandaan mo anak, ang Diyos ay makapangyarihan. At maaari niya tayong madinig. At gano'n pa tayo karami. Dahil siya ay may banal na kapangyarihan. Isang liwanag. Ikaw, Nicole, maaari ka bang magbahagi ng mga karanasan mo na nasa tingin mong nakatulong yung Diyos sa iyo upang tumindi ang kanilang paniniwala sa Diyos?
Meron. Tuwing may dumarating na problema sa amin ng pamilya ko, nagsama-sama kami nagdadasal, tapos nag-iisip kami ng solusyon para masolusyonan namin yung problema natin.
Ganon. So, paano mo nasabing natulungan ka ng Diyos sa iyong mga lahat sa amin?
Ng Diyos, nasolusyonan namin ang aming mga problema.
Masaya akong marinig na nasolusyonan na yung problema niyo. At sa pamamagitan ng Diyos, ngayon, naniniwala na ba kayo na totoo ang Diyos?
Opo, Father.
Okay. Dito na magtatapos ang ating mga pag-uusap. Maaari na tayo.
Ay! Yun po.
Ingat kayo sa inyong pag-uwi ha. Siguro sa susunod na linggo, ayos na to at pwede na kayong makapasok.
Maraming salamat, Father.
Bye, Father. Thank you very much.
Ingat kayo mga anak.
Sama ka sa amin. Paano mo nakilala si Father?
Noong araw ng mga may problema ako, si Father yung nakakausap ko.
Talaga? Gusto mo ba sumama sa amin? Kakain lang kami.
Sige lang. Napakilala kita sa kanila.